In this part, let us see what are the differences between a motor and a generator. Motor and a generator are different as compared to their construction also and with the working also and the basic principles. Differences between motor and a generator. A motor, it works mainly converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, and a generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Motor works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule, and for generator Fleming's right hand rule is applied. For motor, current supply is used in the external circuit. So in a motor, in the external circuit, current is supplied. Yes. In case of generator, current is stored. Current storage device is used in the external circuit. So in the external circuit, either a galvanometer or a battery or a bulb is used to check the presence of the current or to store the current which is generated there. The armature rotates in anti-clockwise direction in case of motor, and in case of generator the armature rotates in clockwise direction. These are the main differences between a motor and a generator. And again I am repeating, if AC generate for AC motor and AC generator, full rings, that is slip rings are used, and for DC motor and DC generator, split rings are used as commutators. Commutators are the devices which convert AC into DC. Yes, so these are the main differences between motor and generator. As a part of examination, here diagrams are important, their constructions, both motor and generator, their constructions, diagrams, then working and the differences. Fleming's left hand rule, right hand rule, Maxwell's thumb rule. These are the main important parts in this chapter which are more important. Okay, and another two videos are remaining. So that will end the lesson. The whole lesson will be ended in the another one or two videos. After the completion of the lesson, I am also discussing the exercise question answers which are not repeated in the previous part. Okay, thank you.